Alright, what's up on the Cab Ride channel today? Today we have our first food review from Burger Moes. So, we're going to try out some different things, and this will go every month, every 2 months. So let's first try the dill pickle chips. Let me get the ranch. There's the ranch dressing right there. I'm gonna sit down and take a bite on camera. Open up this ranch. Alright, first bite on camera. Take one more. This is a 10 out of 10 right here. Alright, moving on. We got our Caesar salad. We got the Caesar salad going on here. And we got some ranch dressing. Got some silverware too, that's nice. There's a knife. We need a fork. If we can get it out. There we go. Fork. Dump the Caesar dressing. Mix it up. Alright, let me mix it up, and we're going to take a bite on camera. Again. It's got some croutons in it. It's got some lettuce. Does not have any chicken on it, is the only thing. So. Alright, taking the bite on camera. 3, 2, 1. I'm going to rate this a 9 out of 10 due to no chicken on it. So, anyway, moving on to the burger. This is called the Fun Guy Burger. And we're going to get our extra pickles out. We're going to put some pickles on the burger. Put some extra pickle on it. Alright, we also have some onion rings too. So we are going to get our barbecue sauce out. This might be ketchup, but I don't know if it's barbecue sauce or not. We'll see if it's barbecue. Alright, taking the bite on camera. This is the special part. We're going to rate this burger a 9 out of 10 due to the fact that they gave me ketchup instead of barbecue sauce. Anyway, let's move on to the onion rings. Onion rings, we're going to take a bite. got a nice crunch. We're going to rate this a 10 out of 10. And lastly, we're going to take a sip of the Coke. This is a 10 out of 10 right here. And our overall score was 4.5. Actually, no. The overall score was 9.5. 9.5 is our overall score for this burger Moes. I'll have to try it again someday. Anyway, with that being said, bye y'all.